Hello and welcome back to another day of Nextdoor Automation, where I share tips and tricks on how to get more visibility on Nextdoor and also get more leads for business owners. So my name is Eric. Today I'm going to address a topic with regard to SEO and Nextdoor. I think it has not been seen and tackled much in general. So what is SEO for starters? So SEO stands for search engine optimization. That means if you're a business owner, you want to take actions in order to appear, so your website, for example, to appear on top of the results on Google. So let's say, for example, you are a roofer in a small city. Let's take the example of Salem. You want your website to appear on the top of the results when somebody is looking for roofer in Salem or roofing Salem, looking for business owners to do roofing jobs. So why am I talking about this today is because it's quite unknown and not really used. And there is a good reason for that Nextdoor is not used for SEO, mainly because the business pages, first, Nextdoor is a closed environment. So basically, most of the activities are contained in the app and are not shown to naturally or not indexed on internet for Google to show results. So if you make a post, it will by default not be shown if you're not in the app. Although there are sections of Nextdoor that are getting indexed, for example, the for sale and free section, and also the business pages. Not the profile pages, but the business pages. And even if the business pages get indexed, unfortunately, they do not transfer SEO juice, and because the website link that you fill in your business page is not, let's say, it's not a follow link. Although it appears as a follow link, do follow link, it's included in a div that prevent the do follow link to be activated or active. So a lot of SEO, professional SEOs, of course, know that, and they are not looking to make some effort because they are not getting a benefit of putting links on these business pages. Nevertheless, I'd like to answer this question. Is Nextdoor good for SEO? So the first part that I've just answered is no, but nevertheless, it should be considered as good if you follow these simple rules. So that will concern mostly business owners in smaller areas, because if you are in New York and you are a roofer in New York, Nextdoor SEO will not help you rank, and this applies on my advice right now only applies for small neighborhoods or small search terms, and I'm going to explain you how this applies. So if you want to see all my videos before I dive more into the details, you can check my website, my YouTube channel. I make daily videos, and I also will link here if you want to know all my secret tips and tricks on how to get more visibility and more leads on Nextdoor. You can watch this video that will explain you my blueprint and how to get it. So I've searched the help section of Nextdoor for their advices on local SEO. There are basically saying generic things, and they are also discussing the Google My Business, and somehow, because they have taken these steps to prevent people to get use of Nextdoor SEO, they are not talking about their own, and I think that's a shame. And if anybody at Nextdoor should be watching this video, I think they should change their strategy in order to attract more people, more SEO crowd, is to change their uh, do follow indexing strategy on their business page, and somehow get more of these activities and all the posts done on Nextdoor to be indexed on Google. I would definitely do it at least, and that's the most important, on the business pages. And of course have do follow links indexed and transmitting the SEO juice. So another page, so I will put in the description of that video the links to these two pages. You'll be able to read them when you have time, and they are basically explaining why local SEO is important. And now I'm going to give you some example on the best practice on how to get Nextdoor SEO to your advantage and to your liking. So I've taken a small example, which is the case of roofing businesses in Fort McMurray. So of course Google is promoting Google local My Business listings. We see here that there are websites that are showing at the top. You see that Facebook is also one of the top ranking ones. So if you type this roofing Fort McMurray, depending on where you are in the world, you might not see exactly the same result in that order, but it does not matter. What is important here is you see there's one top result, which is Facebook, that shows that this search result is not very aggressively looked for. So that means it's a fairly easy search term to be ranking on. And if we go down to the listing, we see that Nextdoor Canada is appearing. It's not at the top search result, but it's, let's say, in the middle of the page. So that's a good news. That means for a small city with a small search volume per month, Nextdoor can help you with their SEO and help you to rank. And I've actually watched make some search. So you see that this is an extract of SEMrush to see how much search terms are done. So this is an exact match for the search of this company called A1 Roofing, plus the location. So Nextdoor, if you change this search term instead of taking the generic term, of course Nextdoor is at the top because you add the company name. So if I would add here company name, this one will come for sure at the top, and Nextdoor would be followed as the second. This is position second. And this is Canada Canada.nextdoor.com pages. Pages means business pages, and then you have the location name. So how to get positive results if you are in a fairly small location and your search volume and is not competition is not too hard. If you should have, of course, a website, and you should create your business listing, and I'm going to show you how to do it in order to rank higher with this listing. So first you should give your company name, and hopefully in your company name you have your activity name, so in that case roofing, and you can add the city name. So let's take a different example. Your company is called Bluebell, and it's active in the painting niche. So here, when you're creating your business page, you would name it Bluebell painting and then Burnaby, for example, so that it appears in the title of the page. Plus, you will see here at the top that I hope you can see it. So this is the this one is the H1 and this one is the title. So you see that Nextdoor is adding a dash after repeating the H1. It adds a dash and then the location, Fort Murray, Alberta, Nextdoor. So this is an extra help from Nextdoor, which is giving you an extra location title, and this helps in terms of indexing. You should, as I always recommend, fill all the required fields when you're creating your business page. So location, physical address, telephone number, email address, website. So this does not look good because email@email.com looks a bit sketchy. Then you have the website, and you should reuse as much as possible in all the other parts of the business page, whether it's in your bio, in the recommendations, in the daily or the monthly activity post that I recommend you to do, is to repeat your company name. So that will help Google to understand what it is talking about, and it will help you rank higher. So also in the image descriptions, call it if possible with different names, and in all these sections of your business page repeat your name, so that will help you rank for roofing Fort McMurray. And also, if Nextdoor is listening still at this stage, if you want to increase satisfaction and traffic on your app, change this and make these links transfer juice, make them do follow, or they are already do follow, but make sure that they are not included in a div section or whatever that prevents the SEO juice to flow through the website. So that's it. That was the small tutorial for today, and I hope that was helpful for you. And if you do that, and then your website is ranking at the top, if not, you have to do your website SEO on page and off page, and you will be able to see these results here that are not existing yet or not showing, or at the lower part of the first page go higher in the search results. I'm not sure if making backlinks to them will help them rank. In theory it should. So if you have SEO services, you can create some backlinks on this one that will help them then go higher. So if you're living in a small area, small country, and have a small search term, this will definitely improve. And if you can trust the first 2 or 3 results here, you will get more leads for your business. And of course, if you want to get more leads through Nextdoor, I leave another video here, and I'll show you actually a playlist of videos that shows you the type of services I offer to business owners who want to get more leads on Nextdoor. So that's it for today. Take care. Bye bye.